Hey guys, it's Audrey. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be reviewing some hair products. I've partnered with PUMP Haircare and they sent me this package. So let's unbox it and see what's in here. Whoops. Oh my god, are you kidding? I'm so clumsy. Okay. Packed with Love by Nicole. So this is what's in the box. It looks like shampoo, conditioner, and a hair mask. And it also came with this little sample pack. So this is the hair growth shampoo and conditioner. This is just a sample of it. I would really like to try the whole thing though, because I have been trying to grow out my hair. I know it already is pretty long, but it can always be longer. I want my hair to like be down to my butt. I want to feel like a mermaid, guys, okay? One thing that I love about this brand is that all of the products are cruelty-free, which means that they don't test on animals. And I think that's really great. I am a huge animal lover. Like, if you know me, you know how much I love dogs and just like all different types of animals. And I hate animal testing. So whenever I'm shopping for beauty brands, I always look for brands that are cruelty-free because that's a big thing for me. So they also sent me Moisture Shampoo and then Repair Conditioner. So this is the Moisture Shampoo and then this is the Repair Conditioner. Let me just put it close up so you guys can see. The packaging is really cute and it says the shampoo comes with shea oil and then the conditioner has chai seed oil. So all of these are sulfate-free, organic, and cruelty-free, which is very important to me, as I mentioned earlier. And then, ooh, oh my god, it's not just any hair mask, it's a blonde hair mask. Oh my god, I am so excited to try this. I've been using a hair mask every now and then by Bumble and Bumble, and I like it, I just always forget to use it. But since this is a blonde mask, I can kind of like use this instead of my blonde shampoo and conditioner, so I'm really excited. There it is. Oh, okay, so you apply it to your hair after you shower and then you leave it in for 10 minutes and then you rinse it out. Oh my god, I am so excited to try this. Ooh, it's so purple. Oh my god. Oh, it smells good too. Oh my god. Okay, so I haven't used any of the products yet, obviously, because I just unboxed them. So I just washed my hair today and styled it. So this is how my hair looks right now without using any of these products. And then I'm gonna use these products throughout the week. And then I'll update you guys and hopefully we see some great results. Hey guys, so I just wanted to update you on my hair. So I used the PUMP shampoo and conditioner and the blonde mask for the first time last night and I love the results already. So since the shampoo and conditioner is made with a lot of natural ingredients, it makes my hair feel so soft and smooth. And it makes it feel light too and like easy to style. I've noticed that when I use products with a lot of chemicals in them, it kind of like weighs down my hair and makes it feel like heavy and dry. But these products did not do that at all. I really like the results. And also with the blonde mask, I can already see a difference. It definitely took out the yellow and brassy tones in my hair. And now it's back to this nice pearly blonde color that I always want it to be. So I've only used the products once and normally I only wash my hair about 2 or 3 times a week. So I'm gonna use them throughout the week and I'll update you on the next time that I use them. Hey guys, I wanted to update you again on my hair. So I used the PUMP shampoo and conditioner again. I didn't use the blonde mask this time just because usually with hair masks, you're only supposed to use them once a week. So I don't want to overuse it. But I did use the shampoo and conditioner for the second time and my hair still looks and feels amazing. So I'm about to go out with my friends right now, but I'll keep you updated on how my hair is and I'll talk to you guys the next time I use the products. Hey guys, so I used the PUMP shampoo and conditioner and the blonde mask one last time for this video and this is how it looks. So overall, I love the results from these products. The shampoo and conditioner made my hair feel really soft and the blonde mask definitely brightened my hair up and got rid of those brassy and yellow tones. So I'm definitely going to continue using them and I want to try more of their products now. And again, I love that this brand is cruelty-free. So here's how my hair looks. I'm going to try to like... It's like hard to hold this tripod. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and turn on my notifications, and I'll put the link to Pump's website in the description. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.